I just come and do the shopping for my kids and my husband. It was good, but this year little bit, but it's good. It's a big day for Diwali, and I hope everyone will enjoy this year. This year we will make sweets and making freaking lights, but my children missing the firecrackers. This year no firecrackers.
Actually, due to this pandemic, plenty people are being affected by the money and poverty. But as a festival of Diwali, it's our religious. Whether we celebrate it as a small festival or as a big festival, but it's not necessary that we have to do everything. Like firecrackers should be there and everything, but at least something should be there just for our ritual.